But I love you, it's on the tip of my tongue, and I want you to want me to be the one. I almost tell you every night when we're getting off FaceTime. I try to text you, but let my friends read it first, cause it's too soon to say those three little words. I'll tell you one day, but for now, babe, I'll add it to the list of the things I can't say. Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. This is Blaze Plays Guitar Lessons. I'm going to teach you guys how to play this awesome song by Spencer Crandall and Julia Cole called Things I Can't Say. I'm going to show you kind of like an acoustic version, and I'm going to make it as similar as I can to the album version, but it's a little bit different. So anyway, if you guys have other requests and stuff, let me know in the comments, and I'll get to them as best I can. Please hit like and subscribe as well. All right, awesome. So capo goes on the first fret, and it's in standard tuning. You're only going to use 4 chords for this song. So you're going to use G, and you can use either G that you want. It's kind of up to your preference. I'm using this G, so we put my pinky on the 3rd fret on the little E string. Ring finger goes on, and this is all in relation to the capo, by the way. Ring finger goes on the 3rd fret on the B string, and your middle finger goes on the 3rd fret on the E string, the big E string, and then your pointer finger goes on the 2nd fret on the A string. Okay, then you're going to do C. Okay, so C, ring finger goes on the 3rd fret on the A string, middle finger goes on the 2nd fret on the D string, and your pointer finger goes on the 1st fret on the B string. Okay, then E minor. E minor, I just put my middle finger, okay, I just put it on the 2nd fret on the A string, and then you put your ring finger, and you can use other fingers if you want, these are just the ones I use. And then you're going to put your ring finger on the 2nd fret on the D string. And then you do D. All right, so for D, I'm muting the big E string up here, but don't worry about that yet. So you're gonna put your ring finger, all right, it goes on the 3rd fret on the B string, and then you put your middle finger goes on the 2nd fret on the little E string, and then your pointer finger goes on the 2nd fret on the G string, and then you mute just by touching with your thumb the big E string. Otherwise, it'll just add some more bass to it if you don't mute it. Okay, so I'm going to show you a couple different ways you can play this song. I'm going to show you how you play the intro and how you play the verse and everything, and then how you play the chorus, where you play the chords with which lyrics. But one thing to keep in mind is that this, because we're doing this acoustically, it doesn't have to be exactly the same. Okay, so I'm going to show you a couple different ways to do this. So for the beginning part, so the chord progression always goes in a song G, C, E minor, D. Okay. So for the beginning part, you do that. You do G, C, E minor, D. So you just, and then you repeat that. So you do that twice, okay? So you'll do see, so I'm palm muting, putting this part of your hand as close as you can to that white part, not on it, but like right in front of it, and then you're hitting the bass notes. So I'm hitting like E and A on that one mainly. And then on that, okay, you're still hitting E and A. Okay, it's not till you do D that you're trying to hit more of the lower ones. Okay, so you're gonna do that. Now, if that's hard, well, I'll show you how to strum it first. So you do down, 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 down. So that's when you do down, 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 C, 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 C. So down, 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 down. Down, 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 down. Bet you live, see us in a ranch house with a pond, a couple kids with your baby blues. Bet you look good as a soccer mom. Okay, now, so that if you have a hard time playing that and singing it at the same time, which if you're a beginner, you're probably the people watching this, you probably are a beginner, it's going to be hard. So I'm going to show you a couple other things. You can just do it slower and palm mute if you want. You can do, I see us in a ranch house with a pond, a couple kids with your baby blues. Bet you look good as a soccer mom. Okay, so you're just doing down, 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 down. Okay, so you can do that. You could also do single strums. You could do, I see us in a ranch house with a pond, a couple kids with your baby blues. Bet you look good as a soccer mom, but you ain't no way in hell that I'm telling you. Okay, so you could do that too. You could do single strums. All right. Or you could strum it like this. This is the other way. It will be pretty easy. I see us in a ranch house with a pond, a couple kids with your baby blues. Bet you look good as a soccer mom. So you're doing down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up. So that one is down, down, up, down, 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 up. Now that last one is actually, you can use that same strumming pattern for the chorus. So you could do, 'cause I love you is on the tip of my tongue, and I want you to want me to be the one I'm almost at. See, so you can do that. You could just do that for the whole song. If you do that, you're gonna want to play it softer for the verses. See us in a ranch house with a pond, a couple kids with your baby blues. Bet you look good as a soccer mom. So you're doing that softer. You could even just play the lower notes, okay? But you can choose from which one of those you want to do. Now I'm going to show you where you do the chords, okay? So you're going to do, I see us in a ranch. Ranch is G, okay? Ranch house with a pond. Pond is C. Pond. A couple kids. Kids is E minor. Kids with your baby blues. Blues is D. Blues. I bet you look good. Good is G, so easy to remember. Good as a soccer mom. Mom is C. Mom, but ain't no way in hell. Hell is E minor. Hell that I'm telling you. U is D. You, 'cause it's only been two. Two is G. 2 months and 6 days. 6 days is C. Days, and I ain't tryna. Okay, tryna is where you do E minor. Trying to sound crazy. So crazy. Okay, that's the part where you're gonna do D. Crazy. So if you're palm muting it, that's the part where you'll stop palm muting. You go, but I ain't trying to sound crazy. You'll just do a big open strum. Crazy. Mute. 'Cause I love you. It's on the tip of my tongue, and I want you to want me to be the one. Okay, so you'll do like that. So I'll walk you through the chorus. The chorus is the part you should play the loudest, and you should definitely be doing down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, down. 'Cause I love you, it's on the tip of my tongue, and I want you to want me to be the one. See that? So that's how you'll play it. So I'll show you where the chords go. But I love is where you start playing in the chorus, okay? So you're gonna do love on G, or G on love. Love you is on the tip is C, tip of my tongue, and I want is E minor, want you to want me to is gonna be D, to be the one, all is where you do G, almost tell you every is C, every night when we're getting is E minor, getting on FaceTime, okay, the after FaceTime is where you do D, FaceTime, a drunk text is G, text you, but let my friends, okay, it's gonna be C. Friends read it first, but it's too soon. So 2 is E minor, too soon for those three. Those 3 is D. 3 little words I'll tell is G. Tell you one day, but is C. But for now, babe, I'll add it is E minor. Add it to the list of things. Things is D. Things I can't say. So if you're going to be palm muting it, the second verse just goes right into palm muting again. Down, 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 down. I had a daydream you proposed. I got hitched on the beach that day. All right, or you can kind of even play it like that. I'm kind of playing it like with the lyrics, like each drum. I had a daydream you proposed. I got hitched on the beach that day. Had a honeymoon on the Maui coast. Okay, so I'm just kind of like. So I'm doing it like I'm strumming with every lyric. Anyway, that's another way you can try it. So that's how you play the song. And then if you want, for the instrumental part, you're just going to either do after the second chorus, or you're just going to do single strums. Anyway, that's how you play the song. I don't know if you guys have any questions or anything. Thanks for watching. Bye!